and thanks for joining me for another unboxing. The sad face on the thumbnail was it was the last one. It was. But the demons got to me and I put in another order at Maggard's. So I've got that coming now on the way. So there will be another unboxing at some time. Look at this, guys. My parcel from West Coast Shaving has finally came, plus an addition. I'll get to that one after the unboxing. And how are you guys doing? You alright? I hope you're having a great weekend. I know it's only just started, but I hope you're having a great weekend and you're having some smooth shaves. How have you been? Right, I hope you've been okay. Shaverage, I'm having a shaverage. Something new for me, and I'll be honest with you, I bought it for the label, the can. What does that remind you of? PAA's labels. It reminded me of Phoenix Artisan labels straight away. And it's Beavertown Gamma Ray American Pale Ale 5.4. And there it is. So I'm going to try that for a change, because I'm normally a cider, a bourbon and a whiskey drinker. I'm not really into ale. Cat's just come in. Mika, come here. Say hello. Say hello, Mika. Say hello. Yeah? No? Okay. Right, you go there. If you want to go down, it's up to you. Cheers, guys. Forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I'm not normally a beer or an ale drinker or anything like that. Oh, that. Do you mind? That's nice. It's got a citrus. It's a citrus. There's pineapple and everything. I can taste it. Right, let's get on with it. Oh, I forgot to say cheers, guys. Sorry. Right, let's get into it. From West Coast Shaving. I think this has taken about 2 weeks to get here to the UK. No customs charges or anything like that. Straight here. And it's been that long, I've forgotten what I'd ordered. Note! No, it's an invoice. That's for you, Scott. Yeah, I'm keeping that one as well. Right. Oh. Guys. Why? It does a good job. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, I remember ordering this. I'll tell you why now. I borrowed this off Paul H. with the matching splash, and I was so impressed with it. It was right up my street. Oh, it's absolutely a gorgeous scent, but they couldn't send the splash. Red tape. I hate red tape. It's beautiful. It's darkish, spicy scent. Smell it with the lid on. Oh, it's beautiful. I am going to get the splash to match it. So there's the first one, guys. It's the Club. Ariana and Evans, the Club signature. Love the scent. I forgot which one this was. Oh, K Shaves. It's K Shaves. Saratoga. Earthy. It's an earthy scent soap. There's the pour. That's nice. I'm looking forward to that. That's K-Shave Works. There should only be one more. C4 spiced. I've been dying. I want to get the heather one as well, because I believe that's really nice as well. Oh yeah. Now Molly's come up. Do you want to say hello? Molly? Molly, come say it. No, you're going behind the camera. At least you got a bit of dignity. That's beautiful, guys. I can't wait to use this. Surrounded by cats. Got 2 cats, 4 chickens, 2 dogs in the house at the moment because they're the daughters. But sadly, we had to say goodbye to Jess. And thank you guys so much for your well wishes and your condolences and everything else. But sadly, yeah, we had to let Jess go last Tuesday. She was very poorly with cancer. And so it was a very sad and emotional day last Tuesday. Right, that should be it now. Well packaged. I'm impressed with the packaging in case of leaks or anything like that. And I got the matching splash for the C4 Spice. Shake it because it's probably got some skin properties in it. Skin food. Oh, that is beautiful. Very subtle scent. Can't wait to try that with the matching soap. So we got that set. K-Shave Works, Saratoga, and Ariana Nevins, the Club Signature. Fantastic scent, that. I love it. Cheers, guys. Bit of foam. Right, this one. Thank you so much, Shaun Gillen, a friend of the channel, and he reached out to me and he said, I think you said it didn't agree with you or you didn't get along with it or anything like that, the scent of the soap. And apparently he sent me some samples as well. And I hope there's a note in it, a love note. So, where's my knife? Yeah, he reached out to me, email, and asked me if I would like it. Make sure there's nothing else in the bag. Nope. Oh, this is nice. All exciting stuff. Got some absolutely fantastic shades coming up, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Bloody hell, Shaun. No notes. I love notes. Anyway, what he couldn't get on with was a Ariana Nevins Coco Cabana. I haven't got this. You haven't even tried it, Shaun. There's the pour. Did you just not like the smell? I love the bourbon biscuits, the chocolate biscuits. This smells just like it, and it's almost, it's bordering a Belgian chocolate. That smells good enough to eat. But you know what's going to happen now? I'm going to have to order the splash to go with it. That is beautiful. Thank you so much, Shaun, for reaching out. And thank you for your generosity. Thank you so much. Right, what we got in samples. Bearskin tunic. I don't know what the JRM means. I've got, oh, there it is. I've got Loch Lomond. I've actually got that. And I'm going to be using the Loch Lomond. I'll probably use your sample, but use the soap I've got for the thumbnail in for the British, the UK Artisan month of August shaves. Tarifa. I can't open it because you've sealed it with the label. I don't know what it smells like. I'm gonna have to rip it. I know what the Loch Lomond smells like. Oh wow, that's very piney. That's very piney. Vetiver. The Loch Lomond to me it's quite a dark scent. Mossy, earthy, quite an autumn, wintry scent. No spice in it that I can smell, but it's a dark scent. What's this one? What was this one again? RJM. I don't know. I'm gonna have to have a look. I want to smell it. I can't get it off. It's well sealed. You could have cut the labels down. Ooh. As you can see, it's quite a hard soap. And I believe it's a really thirsty soap because I haven't used mine yet. That's nice. Thank you so much, Shaun. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate your support and your kind words in the email. Thank you so much. And I will send you... I know you asked for like 2 or 3 samples of my favourite Sterlings because you want to try the Sterling soaps. I'll probably send you about 12 or 14, mate. And while I'm here as well on Sterling soaps, Dave Shepherd, mate, I am so sorry. I promised you a while ago that I was going to send you some Sterling soap samples, and I will. I've remembered. I'll do it at the same time as Shaun's. It's just that life has got in the way of things, and I apologise, but they will be on the way next week. Right, that's it. Can't wait to try these, guys. Can't wait. More soaps to try. I've got quite a few months of shaves coming up, and I've got a few razors coming as well. Not what I bought, and I'll get into that later. Right. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great weekend, guys, and whatever you do, have fun and stay safe and have some smooth shaves. Cheers, guys. I'll see you soon.